Good day to all the employers in Hong Kong. My name is Christine Panganiban Umali from Barangay Paiisa, Chaong, Quezon, Philippines. I am 37 years old. I am widow and I have 3 children, ages 17, 14, and 13. I am a high school graduate and I don't have any tattoo on my body. I work as domestic helper in Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. My main duty there are taking care of baby, washing the dishes, cleaning the house, laundry, ironing the clothes, and cooking. I want to work in Hong Kong because the salary there is better than the Middle East or the other country. I really want to save money for my family, for their daily use and education. Before I end this my introduction, I would like to sing a song that entitled Johnny Johnny Yes Papa. Johnny Johnny Yes Papa, eating sugar no papa, telling lies no papa, open your mouth ha ha ha. Thank you. And to my future employer, please hire me as your helper because I am a loyal and hardworking person and I promise to do all my duty and responsibility. Thank you. Have a good day.